Big up Crosses TV.
Big up Crosses TV to the blood clot world. Crosses TV, you have to get this, yeah.
The one that he do, the one him really don't know me, you know. Him really don't know me. Me say I'm the screenshot you again. I screenshot you, yes, and I sending go get everybody where I can give it to with a one view. And when Alia call you and tell you say me sending her one view, Alia force me come call Blandy. And Blandy never answer and she hook up Blandy to me. But anyway, me didn't get that because I can't defend anything. The one that live in Germany, where they come over now. No, I when Macy have money, Macy couldn't make nobody lay with me now at all in Jamaica. Macy and Kenneth shouldn't even be a friend. So I know Macy got talk to Kenneth. Me never make nobody chop Kenneth. Me never make nobody even script Kenneth. So when Macy got talk, Macy can't, me done screenshot it already, Macy. Me done talk, so I screenshot it, me don't own it. Oh, you mean, Kenneth, Macy. Macy, me no want to address you. Because me know you talk and your mouth here. Me have your whole your screenshot them and you're ugly, you don't look good. And from the 25th of January, you do you something, your face should have heal, your face terrible looking, look like a mummy. Macy, you look like a mummy. And the one where, the one that me not even like, me don't know the one that eat dodo. The one that eat dodo will say, Macy for make when me come to Jamaica. No, Macy know me a bad man in real life. And Jeremy where they are us know me a bad man. And Kenneth know me a bad man in Jamaica. Nobody at all can even look for me, much less forgot play with me. And Macy when you have Ringo, all when you have your money you couldn't do it. Ringo, all when you have your money you couldn't do it. And your money don't know why you couldn't do it no time at all in your life. That's something else that one day Germany, the one that we are cleaning your house up where the one that eat dodo, the one from Germany, him don't know me. He said him they know me, him only about me mouth and say that. Me I go down the 27th. At the 27th me I go down. So where you talk, say after me not hide and say me I go down. But you know easy. You really don't know me. At the 27th me I go down. And when Alia call you and tell you say me send out the picture, cause that you just say me, say me expect say Alia go do all of that. And Alia force me all when me hook up Blandy upon the land and me say no, me not do it. Me not give Blandy no picture. Me I send it one view. So send it one view. Cause she knows that Blandy that was screenshot it. Yet she still call you. You say Alia mouth one tap up, you know. Alia mouth one tap up and Alia know me. Alia mouth one tap up. You understand me? But me not understand the lyric part. Me. That boy they really don't know me. You really don't know me. And you can talk, Kenneth, no, me never want burn on Kenneth mother house. Andrew tell me say you him job go to Kenneth mother house, burn on Kenneth mother house. You Kenneth are not friend. Wait, expect you Kenneth a friend, you Kenneth is not friend. Me say don't fool yourself, you Kenneth is not friend. Andrew chop Kenneth with a panna and you make Batman show acid panna. You Kenneth can't be friend. Me say stop fool yourself. You Kenneth cannot be friend. Kenneth just a fool himself. Cause Kenneth knows you and him cannot be no friend. No loyalty, no dead so cause it go. Oh, you put out a picture with Kenneth and do all kind of things. So what kind of friend you Kenneth are gonna be? And Kenneth make them know say people are going for pay 20 cents and laugh off for you. A long time ago, me have the whole screenshot them because I screenshot them. Me not hide them screenshot them, I mean I go send them out. Cause you not look good and it not look good. And from the 25th you do it, your face should have heal up already. Your face not heal up. So when that one day attack, say, me I go along the 27th, idiot. Full like 27th, me I go Jamaica. Me not hide say me I go Jamaica. You ever hear nobody tap me up yet? What you talk about? What you really talk about? Who come pick me up at the airport? Come stop talk foolishness. Stop talk foolish like when you can't tell no friend me say. I can't tell you no friend. So what you try say? You don't look good, me screenshot them and you don't look good. I'm going to give Blandy the best looking one. No part of and your face draw down. Your face draw down. Your mouth lean. Your nose twist up. Your eyebrow dip on your forehead. You don't look good. Me have them now on my phone. But I never really want to release them yet. Alia make me really say go give Blandy Blandy company for me tell her no, me not send it. So what? Me send everybody, when me send it go give them, me make them can't view it again. Because Macy not look good for you. No, Macy. You talk about in the past, Macy. When nobody no freeze belly, because I not do no surgery. I freeze my belly, Macy, and I run my drink, Macy. Dr. Macy will put everybody on medication. Dr. Macy, I freeze my belly. Dr. Macy, I'm living on a tenement yard. I never live in a tenement yard yet, Macy. So you get to store them wrong. You store them, you get them wrong. You get them so wrong. I don't know you get the story so wrong. Me see no look good. And from the 25th you do the surgery, your face when you do a surgery, you see the impression of your face so come in, your face is wrong. Your face is wrong, but the one there, the one that eat shit. No, you don't know me for true. Because you say me to make people live with me. Me know that can't happen. That's not possible. Can you know that not possible in all when me asleep? All when me asleep, that's not possible. You really don't know me. That's why I'm not going to answer and pay no mind. Jeremy know me and Jeremy not going to open me mouth and say nothing. Because Jeremy know me I come. Kenneth know me I come to. Them only can talk on internet. In person, they might Macy never going to talk neither in person. Only on internet when I can do it because I can't go to Jamaica. Nobody can talk to me in Jamaica. So what you try to say? Come on, man. Macy, you don't look good. You hook up any. Oh, you going to tell me. No, Macy, you never do it. Macy, you talk and I go. Macy, you put on an internet show. Macy, you put it on an internet show. It's an internet bad boy show you put on, Ringo. You put on an internet bad boy show. And from January, you don't get no call, you know. From January, you don't get no call, so that's Amadio. But as to when me tell you, say, me done screenshot it already, you don't look good. Me, you don't look good none at all. Me never even want to send it out. Me have the one that look bad. Me say I'm going to put them out. Me give Blondie the one that look good. And still never look good. Because you favor mummy, you favor somebody in a coffin. Your face don't come out good. Whosoever they face with the free medication, with the free insurance, spoil your face. They don't do your face good. You can't reveal it. You cannot reveal your face because your face don't look good. All the show you put on say, if some people never the point to reveal it, and everybody, no reveal it because they know you don't look good. I may not call the next one the name because him don't know me. From me, I must say, me say make people, me is bad, then they're back in the days and she couldn't do it. That are back in the days when she have her money and she still couldn't do it with me. Nobody at all in Jamaica couldn't do it with me. Them couldn't make nobody gang me. Them can't pay nobody for war with me. Them can't do nothing at all. I'm bad by myself. Idiot. It's alright. My God, no, that's all. Me say yes, I screenshot it. Yes, and I send it to Alia. Yes, and I send it over, but it's a one shot. So Alia tell me say yes, send it to Blondie because she don't know say Blondie go tune another phone and take all of a picture. I'm never hide it. Come to release it, but me that wait until they fuck with me, me release it. I'm saying go get Angel for you. Everybody a laugh off for you. Them a laugh off you for free. Them not for pay for laugh for you. Them a laugh off for you for free. Me say you don't look good. And I don't know if I put up the picture now and show you. Can you not look good? I want this for my something. Can I can put up your picture? I mean enough of filter. I mean enough of do nothing at all. Me say. But can put up the picture right now and show you. Show you how you favor mummy. Can I snap the axe and when I catch your face. I snap out blood clot. I just snap you. I go say pussy clot no man face spoil. But me they know your face that go spoil. Can I tell Kenneth your face that go spoil because you're not born good looking. So the excitement you're creating with your people on the line. But can't bother with you and that excitement you go create and your name call upon dead and sickness and everything long time you see. You're born that way and you give the people money for fight against someone and you don't give nobody at all money. Anybody you give money for burn up pebbles and have to do this and have to do that. You don't give nobody no money to elevate themselves. You don't help nobody at all neither, me say. Everybody will give money for war. Your money done in a war. And done for a man and them family. Come on, Macy, man. Stop it now, man. You go on too much now. I'm not even paying a man because I'm bigger than this.